Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to rotate images in Microsoft Paint in 2026. First, open Microsoft Paint on your Windows computer. Click File, then click Open, and choose the image you want to rotate. Once the image is open, go to the top toolbar and click the Rotate option. A menu will appear with several rotation options. To rotate the image clockwise, choose Rotate Right 90 degrees. To rotate it counterclockwise, choose Rotate Left 90 degrees. You can also select Rotate 180 degrees if you want to turn the image upside down. If you want to mirror the image, choose Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical. After rotating the image, check the result on the screen. If you are satisfied, click File and choose Save to replace the original image, or click Save As to save the rotated image as a new file. You can save it as PNG or JPEG. That's it. This is the easiest way to rotate images in Microsoft Paint in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.